Morning. Warmed up a bit now. Get me back on. Yeah, Monday already. Back to it. Last week before Christmas, of course, this week. Carl's off sick, so I think Justin's giving him lurgy. We've got Young'un in there, cleaning cabin out. We finally got rid of all crap. In fact, I'll show you. All crap out of my office. Good hour this morning. Young Jacob in here, look, tidying away. And then we finally got rid of all in when we moved cabins. Look, hey, you can finally get in. That were up to here with bags and bolts, and I've just got my little bit to do, but won't worry about that for now. We're just getting prepared. Baggy's gone off to get some concrete. So we just got a lot of spare day in between today. I left today because I didn't know if they were going to get finished Friday on the job they were, but it went in like a dream. So they got done, so yeah. You can see we've prepared this area here and we're just going to get concrete this. See how we get on. We've put steel in. So we're going to get this bit done, and then it's got like over Christmas to go off. Hopefully it doesn't get too cold over Christmas. Like I say, Baggy's going to get some on back at van now from Palmer's. It's a bit expensive way of doing it. It'd be easier just getting truck here, but it was a bit of a last minute thing. Like I say, I wasn't sure how they got on Friday, so I couldn't get one booked in this morning, so too much to do, steady away. So we'll get this bit concreted, and then I've actually signed up now for this strip of land here, so eventually I've got to dig some proper big girders in, concrete thing, we'll fence it, concrete it, and then we've got all the way around then to store as fencing, stuff like that. Should be good. Just went to get a mix, that was a bit of a disaster. We were just going to collect it ourselves, but it's come back and flipping dry as a board. You've got to end up mixing it all. It's a nightmare. So we started here, as you can see, but it just turning it to more of a saga. It'd been easy just mixing it all from scratch. Not cheap this, that was 120 quid for 0.6. Expensive anyway, so we've rung a local company that bring it and mix it. They're loading up now, I think they're at Bramley, and then on the way Pudsey, so it should be here very soon. So that's why we've just spread that there. I thought, what's the point of mixing all that? They're on the way, it'll cover that. We'll ask them some walks, they've got the spray things, so we'll wet all that down. And I was thinking, Jamie, when they get here, they've got water things, haven't they? Get them to spray all that before they put it down. Yeah, wet it up, yeah, exactly. So yeah, that was a bit of a disaster. What are you saying? Baggy, he knew what we needed. Comes back with a dry mix that you'd get for like when you're doing your fence posts, you know, so you leave it on back all day. Only good thing about it is it's not going to stain out back of the van, but apart from that, flipping heck, bit of a disaster. So this little job here is going to turn into an absolute fortune now. But a good usable space once we get this done here, so hopefully they'll be here soon. So yeah, we'll keep you informed. Good morning, YouTube. Lovely day actually, yeah. What are we on now? 20th, about 14th. No, what am I about? 20, 19, 18, 16th of December. Not bad at all, is it? Week before Christmas. Lads have been and gone, loaded up. I'm just about to go actually and realise I haven't done a video this morning. I was here at crack of dawn, it's pitch black. Done my admin, done everything. So yeah, had a good productive morning. Just before I go, I thought I'd check on our concreting from yesterday. Made that into a nice space. Obviously our cabin used to be here, which is now there, painted up. So yeah, lovely usable space now. Concreted, ready to go. It's actually firm enough to walk on that already. So we'll give this a couple of weeks over the Christmas period. Don't have to be note special. We've left it with ripples in, so fork chuck can grip. Water will run down, and then I've actually just more or less signed up for this strip of land here. So that'll make us yard a bit better. That strip of land's about 4 metres, 5 in places by some 25 or something, I think it was, I can't remember now. But bit of sad news, which we've just heard. Very quiet round here last couple of days. Yesterday, thought that's strange. Wagon place all boarded up. Shutters are up. And I just said off at Cuff as we were doing this concreting, I wonder if they've gone bust or something. Strange this time of year, coming up to Christmas. You think they'd be really busy, wouldn't you? Anyway, lo and behold, lads were talking to Bruce, who sort of looks after the site, who lives in caravan at front, on the way to the job. Jamie rings me. Oh, you were right. Guess what? Went bust. Friday 13th. Oof. What a nightmare for guys that work there. I feel sorry for you all, by the way, boys. You were all good fellas there. You used to help us out with fork trucks and that now and again. Sad, isn't it? And that's the government for you, innit? Putting employers' tax up and God knows what else. But yeah, it doesn't affect employees, I reckon. It affects everybody, doesn't it? Absolute clowns, that Labour government. But anyway, I'm not getting political on this channel, but there you go. Anyway, strangely enough, I'm just on my... Well, it's actually for tomorrow, but I had an appointment cancelled. I'm going to ring him now, see if I can get there tomorrow, which is next to another big transport place we did years ago, Andy Davis's. It's right next door, his neighbour, over in Wakefield. Ossett it is, that's what I'm thinking. I'm sorry, Ossett it is. Ossett, sort of Wakefield way. So I'm going to ring him now and see if I can go and do that one instead of tomorrow. So I shall catch you later. Hello there. Oh, you can hear me, just over at Ossett. We actually did next doors here. Davis transport. We did all around distribution centre a good few years ago now. Basically I'm next door, and what they're wanting is just to separate some stainless or whatever in here. Basically from end of building, I'm going to come down here from the corner of that building. He's going to have 6 metre double leaf gates and then just follow it down here, and then it's just going to end to corner here, I think. It did say V-mesh at first, like that one, but might have to be twin mesh that we did over there, because down a little bit here, so it might be better with twin mesh. The measurement is 36.6 metres, including the gates, 2.4 high in green. So yeah, everyone's just looking at me as I'm doing a video, but I shall just get in my car so you can hear me. I think obviously these next door here are all encroaching on their land, and they're getting scrap men nicking stuff and this and the other. So he just wants it fencing off, which you can understand. But if I remember rightly, the digging here was a bit of a nightmare. As you can see, it's all like brick. It was hard work, so anyway, shall allow for that. But yeah, I think it'll have to be in twin mesh. Hello there, how are we doing? Well, we've now finished more or less for Christmas. I've just been wrapping up some bits today. The lads got done over at Cullingworth, because I don't know whether I mentioned yesterday or day before, when we turned up to do the whole works, half of it we couldn't do, but they neglected to tell me that. So we'd have to go back for another visit sometime in the new year for that, but hey ho. The lads actually got done, because there was no point sort of booking other works in. You have to excuse the sun that keeps shining, it's really bright here today. Me personally, like I say, I've just been cleaning up some loose ends. I've been cleaning car out actually. I've just been hoovering it, and I've just had it washed at car wash. I'm just going to go home now and get changed actually, because I've got to go to dentist soon and get my new front gnashers in. Hopefully they're okay. My Christmas present to myself. Other good news is we got our decision in principle for his mortgage. Me and my wife approved last night, so that was good news, because we've been nattering a bit. So yeah, probably around the range that we wanted, so that's not so bad. So as you can imagine, we're home finding at the minute, although my wife keeps booking appointments to see him and not telling me, and then the agents are ringing me and I don't really know about them. But anyway, there you go, I'll let you off, love. So yeah, we've got quite a few to do Monday. We're actually away this weekend in York. Let's hope it's not as busy as the pictures I keep seeing online, but there you go. Tomorrow, actually, I've more or less signed up for that strip of land next to my yard. It's been a right saga as this, trying to get this one over the line. I'm sort of 9/10 there now. We thought we'd done everything, the solicitor lad who I'm using, and then silly landlords in the wisdom, I don't know what they're giving it, but have decided, no, it needs a separate solicitor or commissioner or something to witness this silly declaration, whatever it is, I don't know. So I've got to go to another solicitor's tomorrow and pay them £10 cash, only in cash as well, randomly, for him to witness this declaration or whatever it is. So hopefully, yeah, that'll get sorted out tomorrow and finally get that over the line. It's been going on, must be 6 months at least. I'm sick of going on about it now. So hopefully, you know, we might be able to start doing some of that after Christmas. So we're going to call it here actually. Like I say, tomorrow I'm just going to solicitors and doing a few bits, no glamorous. So hope everybody has a lovely Christmas and a Merry New Year. We'll probably put a video out over Christmas, probably best of or whatever, 2024. That's what we normally do. So yeah, if I don't see you all before, all have a lovely holidays, and we'll see you again in 2025. Thank you. Oh, and whilst you're here, get subscribed and give us a like, comment down below, and we'll see you next year. Thank you.